All right, as you guys can see, we have the only lights here. Look how dark it is over there compared. We're in the industrial areas, and this is probably the only light we have out here besides that one in the corner, but it's actually lighting up pretty good, if you guys can see. All right, today we're gonna bring a 1,000 watt solar panel, and look at, just to let you guys know my hand comparison, this is actually curves to one side. If you guys can see it, the centerpiece right in the center, the other one curves. Now if you guys can see how bright it just turned on right now, I'm gonna hold down the button, turn it off. One, there's a sensor feed. We do have a remote control. Let me bring the remote control. Remote control here, it has an on and off. It has a percentage on the lumens, all right? 100%, 50%, 25, and 75. And then we got our hourly, okay? You got 2 to 3 to 5 to 8 to 6 hours, all right? Now, I recommend you leaving it on the sensor on and off for daylight to night mode, all right? So when it's daylight, it's not gonna turn on, it's gonna charge. We're gonna turn it off again. And the solar panel, you don't have to worry about it. It's built in the actual unit itself. The pole, you gotta worry about setting up the pole. And then in case you don't have a pole to grab onto up another pole, it comes with extra accessories. So today we're gonna set it up and we're gonna see how it looks up in the air. So let's go ahead and do that and see how this works. We're gonna measure the actual measuring size. I want to walk over to this side and you guys can see it. It's about 23 inches of long. And then we're gonna go width. It's about, I would say 13 and a half, 13, somewhere around there. So you are gonna take a lot of real estate. Prior to setting up, we're setting up the actual metal piece so we don't have to struggle on the bottom. If you guys can see it, the nuts have a lock-in mechanism here, so you don't have to be struggling. But I would suggest you put the metal piece on the bottom of it prior to setting up the actual pole, so you don't have to do this up in the air. Yeah, but it's holding up. Longer ones? But the that thing is super bright. All right, we're out here right now, and if you guys can see, it's a little dark, and we got the remote control from here, and I'm about like maybe like, I would say 20 to 30 feet away from it, and we're gonna turn it on. First time turning it on, and if you guys can see it, I just turned it on. This is the remote control. It actually works. It's probably one of the best ones that I've worked with, because normally I had another light there. The control, you literally had to be about 3 or 4 feet, but if you guys can see the light, you can see me from here. You can see the light from here. I literally could change the tone. Right. I like the actual lighting here. Plenty of light for any kind of danger activity. Somebody's out here to try to break. The cameras can see who's coming in. So we are set it up already. Perfect lighting for the LED lights. Very powerful. Highly recommended, especially with the solar light panel on top of it. You don't have to worry about anything out there. But look how dark it is out there. And we are probably the only light you can see. So you guys can see I'm on a different angle right now, but the actual lights are super bright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.